Innovation is the carrier of commerce. The dialogue between goal and its accomplishment. Carrying innovation to the core of all its activities is Shivam Autotech Limited, an Indian enterprise engaged in manufacturing of gear blanks, spline shafts, finished gears and plungers. The company is a part of the Hero Group, a $7 billion conglomerate and a reputed industry brand name. 12 years since it first commenced operations, Shivam Autotech Limited has been acknowledged time and again for manufacturing excellence, quality commitment and product performance. Managing its corporate affairs from New Delhi, it has set up 2 contemporary facilities in Haridwar and Gurgaon. The company is one of the pioneers in the country to use near net-shape technology for cold, hot and warm forging. One of the largest manufacturers of gears and shafts in the country, Shivam Autotech Limited, today is an acknowledged manufacturer and supplier of a wide range of products. The range includes transmission gears and shafts, cold forged components, warm forged components, hot forged components, auto electrical components, (3,000 people putting the company's vision of leadership into action, and a forward-thinking management further lend it a leading edge. Over the years, Shivam Autotech has consistently experienced commendable growth, maintaining a sustainable revenue model. And it has earned the trust of leading industry names like Hero MotoCorp, Bosch, and Denso in India, Hilti in Austria. It is also a direct online supplier to Hero MotoCorp and Bosch. Its commitment to global standards of manufacturing and quality consciousness approach have earned it an ISO TS 16949 certification. The company is a proud recipient of various prestigious awards for its underlying focus on quality, innovation and manufacturing excellence.
Shivam is not just an automotive component company. It is actually a technology company that is based on a very strong set of values. And its values are based on fair play, right value to all concerned. It has a deep concern for all people working within the companies, its suppliers, and of course for its customers. It is also a company which is proactively attempting all the time to create improvements as an experience for its customers. That in a nutshell is Shivam Autotech.
For customized cold forming jobs, it has sourced latest technology-based 5-station high-speed cold part former from Nedschroff, Belgium. This avant-garde machinery renders the capacity to manufacture 20 mm to 220 mm long parts. Hot forming, on the other hand, is done using 3-station Harteber Hotmatic hot former with high part output up to 145 parts per minute. Besides this, the forging setup comprises automatic pressing lines for hot forging, cold forging and warm forging. The heat treatment shop has facilities for continuous hardening and tempering, normalizing, case carburizing, seal quenching and induction annealing of threads. The Gears Manufacturing Division is equipped with latest technology facilities like CNC gear shaping machines, CNC gear hobbing and gear shaving machines, honing machines. Machining section is equipped with ENC turning centers, VMC along with other special purpose machines. A well-equipped tool room deployed with advanced tooling machines backs up the production requirements. It is laid with Gleason CNC shaving cutter grinder, Walter make CNC tool and cutter grinder. Various quality tests are conducted by an in-house QA department. The division is equipped with a world-class testing and validation setup, including 3D CMM machines, spectrometer, profile projector, surface roughness tester, magnetic crack detector, CNC gear analyzer.
Since inception, Shivam Autotech has been investing into state-of-the-art technology. We are proud that we have brought cold forging, warm forging, hot forging, near net shape technology, gear cutting technology, heat treatment, all under one roof. This has happened because of our customers' high volumes. We have been able to innovate into various optimum processes.
Shivam Autotech Limited is an ISO 14001 and OSAS 18001 certified company. An active member of Hero Group's Green Vendor Development Program, it strives and maintains green manufacturing standards across the units. It further maintains a safe and secure work culture for the welfare of the employees. Shivam Autotech is surging ahead. It is meticulously planning its course for the future by strategizing on the ever-evolving industry demands, making its presence felt through the quality of its work. Shivam Autotech Limited.